Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing Stomp.io. You can join right now. I'll show the links in the comment down below. Now won't be later. Anyway, join if you'd like. So I'm Santa. Right now I'm in first place. And this video is about how to get in first place and how to get all the skins. First, the Santa skin. As you can see, how am I Santa? And why is my name Santa? Easy. All you have to do is just go into, hold on. All you have to do is just go here, look at the map, and then once you have a good place to be in, like where am I? Like where I'm, you've made Santa naughty. Come over here and you will die. No. Oh, you just fell over the... Yeah, you doing it. He's about to kill... No! He's on the naughty list. Tell him that he's Santa. Anyways, all I have to do is just type here, right here, Santa, and... Now, if you want to get the other skins, you're going to have to comment down below and then say, I want all the skins. And Stomp.io. Right here, right over here, look right there, copy that name. And right now, how to get all the skins. You see there's a block, right? It's all the way to anyway. You go simply over here and then go back. Or you can just comment and then go back and then you have all the skins. And then now, if you find Hacker 7, then you are lucky because now you have found me. Congratulations. Hacker 7 will be right here. I was sent it before, so now I'm here. This is so big screen. So right now, as you can see, I'm as Mario, right? That's the skin I'm on. Right now, let's go stomp some people. And now, here's the people that you should see. If you see Chicken Nugget, maybe, or maybe you should subscribe, like, and comment down below which other video should we do. Or should we continue, and should we make a series of Stomp.io? Like for part 2, 500 likes, I meant. Why did I say dollars? Anyways, the Santa skin, everyone. So before I thought it was just bots, but now somebody has figured out that it has done that. And now look, Santa's everywhere. So why don't we just go to Santa? Santa mode. I wonder if there's any other modes. So look here, also if this happens. So like, as you can see, this guy killed me and he killed me again. So he stomped me. So also play hacking. This guy's hacking. We've got a hacker. Okay, anyways now. Oh yeah, and also if you want to join me on Discord, then go right hello. Join my Discord group. Yes. So yeah, and then I almost just died. Don't kill me. Stay away from me. Away. Okay, now as you can see, I'm at the left corner right now. So if I would be doing a live stream, Stomp.io, 5 likes for now. If you do 5 likes, we will do part 5. Part 2, 5 for some reason. Join the link of Discord. And now let's destroy. Okay, let's just destroy you. There's another Santa. Santa's been killed. We now have to talk about that, and then with that. And here's how to get your growth back. Kill them. Anyways, it's called Stomp. So you're stomping people, and also, if you're realizing the game, they have no arms. So go with no arms. Let's see. Show my skins. Tell me down below. Slender. Slender. And I just died. See, if you put any skin, nothing will happen. Like, see, Santa. And I'm still Santa. And also, me, Cookie, 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 Cookie. Ah! Thank you for protecting me. Bye. No. Santa will get his revenge on this guy. Now, if you'd like to know what we'd like. Alright, anyways, now, if you'd like to know, I want to show you something. Okay, so you see, as I was saying, now, if you'd like to know how to get more, I don't know, but okay, anyways, now, so here we go. This is what you do. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, so now, here we go. You can be any guy you want, as long as you do this hack. This is also hacks. There's also hacks in here. I found first place, yo. No, bad you. You'll be in the naughty list if you kill me. Like somebody is already has stopped me, and now they're in the naughty list. You will be in the naughty list if you stop me. Ooh. Bye. Stay away from me. You see right over here, there's an arrow pointing at you. That means that's you. Stay away from me. There's people, random people going to Santa. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I want to be first. Alright, now I need to see what my score is. There we go, now you're stomped. It's time to go stomping, people. Ooh, you have to be careful of Santa. Because no, don't kill Santa! Go, now, if you want to know some more, like, subscribe, and watch my videos. Also, subscribe, like, and comment down below what ideas. And also, comment down below if you would like to join the server of Discord. I will send these all after I know how to do these. Right now, this guy just killed me, so now Santa will get his position. And also, watch my other videos that I made. Now, this guy will be destroyed. There's another Santa. So anyways now, if you'd like to join me, join me. If you do not, then go away. Then don't watch this video if you do not want to join me. But anyways, you can join if you'd like. And also, don't leave the video. Watch until the end. Only if you like. Chocolate cookies! You want chocolate cookies? Hello there, you wanted electronics, right? You stole that from me. Now you're gonna get back. Regret this? You will now. Santa will get his back now. These bags are people who stomp. I need to give people their naughty lists. You will kill me. You are on the naughty list. Santa will come and get his revenge. You are third place. That is good to know. Ooh. Was in bad. Oh, there we are. There it is, a naughty list guy. The naughty list. Welcome to the now. He's still in the naughty list. I will come back. Also, if you'd like to be someone who okay, now Slendy. Hey, wait. We even have this yellow tag. You know where your name tag is? I'm in 27th place. Now help me go first. We need to get to 5 likes or 3. Or just like, and also we'll do live stream. 1 like equals live stream. If you like this video now, you will get a live stream of Stomp.io and also videos. Anyways, now it is time. Santa is on the naughty list. No! Why did I say that? I got stomped. No more naughty list people. Duh. No. Why you meant to wait for Santa? No! He came again. You're okay. Now decide to get first. Go over here. Run away! Why am I going the wrong way? No, this is what happens. Now here we go. If you would like to see, now here is the Discord page. Now, okay. Alright. Okay, so here's how you. No, don't. Now let's see. Ooh, okay, let's see me. Here, join Hacker Bros. Invite some more people. Now here we go. Here's mine. Okay, this on Discord. Do this now. And after this video ends. Santi! See, look, I'm going to. Okay, like, I fixed the glitch, but it wouldn't work before. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I would find something that would help to change the screen. Anyways, now, guys, if this isn't be good, then that means